Welcome guys, so in front of me I have Realme GT Neo 3, and in this video we are going to make unboxing of this device. So with the first quick overview of the box, as you can see on the front we got the full name of this device, and also with this yellow marking we got probably the best feature. It's the 150 watt charging. Also there's 5G connection, there's the Realme logo. Right here we got also the Android stuff, and that's the color. As you can see, that's the Sprint white, and that's 12 gigs of the RAM and 256 gigs of the internal storage. In this place we can also find this information, the base information, that's like Sony IMX 766 optic image stabilization camera. That's also the second dedicated display processor. The main processor is the Dimensity 8100 5G, and another time there's the name of the device. This feature with the charging, it's called the Ultra Dart Charge. And right here you can also find other information, like for example all the network connection, some QR codes and stuff like that. Okay, so let's remove the foil. Let's take a look what we can find inside, what kind of accessories. I don't know if I mentioned, but this phone comes from the European distribution. So let's gently peel off this foil. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one like that. Okay, there it is. Welcome to the Realme family. In this place we can find probably some kind of the instruction, like paperwork, safety guide, quick guide, yeah. And that's also the SIM tool. If you are looking for this one to open the SIM tray, here it is. There's nothing interesting, we can put it back, and that's all from the inside. Right here we get the phone itself. It's packed with this protective foil. As you can see at the first we get the information about the fingerprint location, and that's a really nice design actually. That's also the serial number of the phone. Okay, let's go forward. It looks like we have to remove this one at the first. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it looks without the foil. There's the big lens right here. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here, and let's check what we can find inside. Okay, so in this place we got the USB-C cable, and by the way that's the two end of the USB-C. So it looks like we have right here the charger with the USB-C also, yeah, just like that. So if you have the second cable, your private with the USB-A end, you will be not able to plug it right here. And we can also find in this place the base information of this charger. I think that right now we can see it. That's actually a really big chunky charging brick. And here we have also the silicone case. As you can see, it's very flexible. We got cover for the power button, the volume buttons. Okay, let's try it on the phone actually. We can make it right now. We got also the factory install screen protection. It's very thin foil. I think that you will be able to spot it right here. We got the cutout for the camera in this place. Looks like we got also the dual speakers right here in this place and in this place. Okay, let's put the case on the phone. Okay, it's actually really easy to put it on, but you have to stretch a little bit this corners. So that's how the phone presents with the case on. I think not that good. Without it's definitely better, but protection first, right? So let's power on the device. Okay, it's turned on. Let me just organize this stuff. So as I said, it's a charger, that's a cable, and there's no any earphones inside. Okay, it's still turning on. Okay, and there it is, the first screen, so we can quickly move for the first setup of the device. I'm gonna skip most of the things. If you are looking for this kind of the video, you can also find it on our YouTube channel. Okay, so it looks like the phone is really responsible and it works really fast. The screen looks really good. Okay, let's get started. Let's go forward, and there we are inside. Okay, so there it is. We can check. I just wonder where is the screen refresh rate, right here. Let's take a look. Okay, so it's 120 Hertz. That's nice. Let's set it up as default. Let's turn off this auto switch mode. We can take a look on the camera, how it looks. Maybe some cool features. Yeah, that's the 50 megapixel mode with the high resolution. And the more we can find... I'm just looking for the macro mode. Okay. So let's try on this plant. I'm gonna also take the shot with the 50 megapixel mode, and we will check if it is worth to get it with the 50 megapixel mode, and after that crop the photo, or just go instantly for the macro mode. So this photo was taken with the 50 megapixel mode. We can focus, for example, oh sorry guys, I'll just hold the phone out of the camera. Looks like that, not bad, but let's go on this. No, actually this one looks terrible. The colors are wash out, definitely. This one looks way better. So when you zoom in, I guess we got more details here. Yeah, it's probably like in the most smartphones that these macro lenses are just useful. And we can try to make the photo of the normal mode. And also there's probably a few features that I want to try, so let's take a look how it works with the volume buttons. Okay, as you can see, as the default, the volume buttons are turned to the shutter. So you can click on the volume up and volume down, you will be able to take photos. When you click and hold, you will take series of the photo. That's also very cool. That's the default option to adjust brightness level on the photo. To make it automatically, you can just tap on the screen. And I just wonder if we can switch this option from the volume buttons. Shutting methods, probably, no, it's not right here. Yeah, right here we can set to the zoom feature, for example. So right now when you press volume up, we can smoothly zoom in. And the quality of the zoom is really good, actually. As you can see, that's very nice. And what's the maximum zoom? Yeah, it's 20x. But the quality is really nice, actually. So that's definitely a strong point of this phone. And let's quickly take a look of the settings. I guess it's more than the unboxing. But let's go for the special features. We get the flexible windows. We got the multitask. We got quick launch with the fingerprint sensor. The smart sidebar. Okay, so that's the standard smart bar from the Realme and Oppo devices. Nothing new, but I just want to take a look of this quick launch. let's get this simple code. Oh, never mind. I just tap to re-enter. Okay, let's try to scan my thumb. We can also make the small test of this fingerprint sensor. We can check how fast it recognizes my fingerprint. Okay, it's pretty easy to scan this fingerprint, even for this protection foil. Okay, and we can get the Facebook, music, the Google Assistant. We get also camera portrait mode. Okay, there's actually a lot of stuff that we can set right here. That's nice. I never used this option. Or maybe we can get the camera application and the Google Chrome. Okay, so it looks like we have to touch and hold the fingerprint sensor until icons appear. Okay, let's try. I just wonder if we can get it. Okay, so when you try to make it like that, we are unable, so we have to click hold, keep holding. Right now it will appear and we can just swipe to open. Okay, not bad, but I think to open the camera it will be better to pick the quick launch by using the volume button. Just like that. Okay, when it's off. Yeah, definitely it will be faster. Well, yeah, nice feature. I like it. So I think that's all for this video. I just show you a few things of this Realme GT Neo 3. We are going to probably make a video about this charging feature, because the 150 watts, it's really something big. And just one more time, I'm going to show you how this device looks without the case. Really nice, really cool design. There's no any fingerprints when you tap on the phone, as you can see. It's not catching the fingerprints, so that's definitely great. And looks like it's glass on the back. Of course, the lenses comes out of this bumper a little bit, especially this one. So that's why you get this additional bumper on your case. So as you can see, with this bumper you are able to protect the lenses when you put the phone on the flat surface. And the same when we talk about the screen, because it also comes a little bit above the screen, especially when you take a look on the corners, right here, here and here. So when you put the phone like that or like that, on the flat surface, it's almost impossible to scratch the lenses or the screen. So yeah, I guess that's all for this device. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel.